foundation of civilian society. At present, I am the happiest person in this room, as my long cherished dream has become true today. And my happiness grows no bound when I see you all turning up in such huge numbers. But it was not me only behind this. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you to know the first few persons who supported me, who encouraged me, and who believed in my abilities, and who supported me and who stood by my side when everyone else was laughing at me. I would like to call Mr. Rohit Prakash, Convener of Civilian Society, Mr. Rohit, Technical Secretary of Civilian Society, Mr. Vatsal Anand, the Coordinator of Civilian Society, Coordinator Public Relations, Mr. Dipesh Deepak, the Coordinator of Event Management, Mr. Neeraj Kumar, the Financial Secretary of Civilian Society, and my special thanks to the second year guys and first year guys and fourth year especially to the guy Satya. I would like to mention his name especially because since the last 24 hours he is just working continuously. I would like to call Satya on the stage, please let everyone know. It was very difficult to even manage to solve out because the Saraswati Puja is also here. It's only because of the guys Satyam and Dipesh also. They both are the event managers. That's why I thought of dedicating especially because they only that we managed the inauguration ceremony today. And it's only because of them, their hard work, that this society became a reality today. The main aim of this society is not concentrated only on state test, but on all-round development, making each and every student good and honest human being, which matters a lot in civil engineering, because civil engineering has now become an acronym that civil stands for person is very important in life, and we have to change it, and that's the aim of civil society. We will make money, we will get success, being honest, following the right path, and we will change the definition of civil engineering. I have given me the exact statistical figures of the placement of the current fourth year. Actually, I will be speaking mainly on the range of placement statistics because I think this is the right platform to share my ideas with you all, because this is the right platform. The audience has gathered, all the civil engineering faculties and members are here. In mechanical engineering, only 3 to 4 members are left to be placed, while 10 are double placed. And Dr. S.P. Verma of Mechanical Department is the head of training and placement cell. In electrical engineering, more than 90% are placed and 5 are double placed. And Mohanty Sir of Electrical Department is the coordinator of CAPSIS. In civil engineering, only 32 are placed. Yes, and science lab is just taken out of figures. And I am very sorry to say that no faculty member is actively involved in training and placement. They may be involved, but they are not actively involved. And I thought this should be the right platform to speak to you all the first, second, and third and fourth year again. I thought this is the platform to let everybody know these figures. We need to think, and we need to think seriously. We need to act, and we need to act effectively. But I am very sorry to say that I feel myself very lonely when I think these things. Because wherever I see, people are thinking it, my CGPA, my LGPA, my placement, my career. We have to remove this word "my" from our dictionary, and we have to replace this word "are." And this is what the real motive of this society is: to bring all the faculties, all the students, irrespective of their practice of civilian department, on the same platform, to share ideas, feelings, and work towards the same direction. We need to make ourselves necessary for this work. Placement and packages will become byproducts. Students are producing crafts, we need to construct roads for them, or that the craft is run. This is what is called making yourself necessary for the world. Without the roads, afterwards, without the roads, This is what is making yourself necessary for the world. If we just take our knowledge into consideration, for our placements, two most important things are contact and performance. Contact to call the company and performance to get selected into the company. The society will help us both in establishing contact and increasing our performance, indirectly helping us in our placement. I would like to utilize this opportunity to tell you some of the achievements of the students of Gradient branch. A group comprising 3 members, Ashish Mishra, Subham Agarwal, Sandeep Putra, ranked first in a breathtaking competition organized by IIT Roorkee in 2010. Two boys, Nitin and one from other branch was there. Anyway, Nitin Agarwal from our branch, he transcended the boundaries of civil engineering and grabbed the world title for Formula Engineering at Melbourne, Australia 2010. A team of 3, Vatsal, Sachin and Rohit, craved their intellect to supplement the list of records, securing first position at IIT Kharagpur in the event state games. So these are some of the achievements I want to honor you to get some of the achievements. And this shows that we are not lagging behind. We are not lagging academic or extracurricular activities. The point is we need to gather together. We need to be united, and we need to work towards the same direction. Only then and then only we can have a good training perspective. I am not talking about, I just talking about exactly to the point which is directly affecting our life. Not these 4 years, but life after these 4 years, which is more important to us. Infrastructure, all those are not our point. That is the administration and student council member. I am also member of student council, but please the infrastructure of those members we don't have to worry about that. But because life is not finished in these 4 years. Actual life starts after these 4 years, and for that a good platform is needed which will be provided only with a good training placement. I would like to wind up my speech now with the lines, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Thank you everybody for listening to me.